With the participation of 30 government units, Oman Data Park organized a workshop today to highlight the readiness of artificial intelligence infrastructure in the Sultanate of Oman.
Currently, the Ministry is working to publish the first action plan and the strategy for artificial intelligence and advanced technologies in the Sultanate of Oman. We are building this action plan with four main pillars, adopting artificial intelligence technologies in economic sectors, and also building the local capabilities in these technologies.
The workshop reviewed the artificial intelligence roadmap for government institutions and cybersecurity solutions. It also discussed how to prepare an artificial intelligence project within the government institutions and the action plan of the National Program for Artificial Intelligence and Advanced Technologies in the Sultanate of Oman.
Artificial intelligence is nowadays very important in this field, and it has started actually in the diagnostic services in different departments. So with artificial intelligence, it will make it easier to diagnose some of the diseases using computer softwares which are already fed.
It's worth mentioning that Oman Vision 2040 works on enhancing and translating the strategy of digital transformation aimed at digitalizing government services in line with the technological development in the world.